Hi everyone, I'm here with Charles Almond, and even though tax season is over, a lot of people are still, they're not relieved because there are so many people out there, especially in this economy, that owe back taxes. And even business owners, people who said, well, if I pay the taxes, I have to shut the lights off of my business. And we think about the people always evading taxes, the bad guys. Sometimes it's just these hardworking people who can't come up with the money.
Correct.
So I make your business akin to, it's like TurboTax, where we all buy the software to do our taxes.
Precisely.
You have this new software, if you owe back taxes, that helps people without fleecing them out of tons of money.
Correct. It's $120, and it levels the playing field for everybody. There's been disparity in being able to talk to the IRS. We've been called the Rosetta Stone of IRS speak.
Okay.
So now
Rosetta Stone, of course, to learn a new language.
Exactly. So now that people can communicate with IRS clearly, effectively, and the result is a proper resolution to a case.
Why do you think the IRS, I mean, some people are like, oh, the IRS is not the bad guy. Why is the IRS really not the bad guy?
Well, they've got a job to do. Their function is to collect the tax. Congress imposes a tax, their job is to collect the tax, and it's something that they go to work every day to do. They're not there to be punitive, they're not there to be unkind,
right.
They're just there to make the system work. And so what we do is help the system to work, and as a result, everybody wins. The taxpayer wins, IRS wins.
There's a special status that you say 90% of Americans qualify for.
90% of Americans. Currently not collectible.
Currently not collectible. So that means that they actually just put everything on hold without racking up all the interest?
Well, no, the interest continues, but it waives the collection of the back tax, and IRS agrees to make no further effort to collect until they have the ability to pay in some subsequent day. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But the nice thing is it stops the enforcement. There's no bank levies, no wage or other identifiable source of income levies. It just stops all the adversity.
Yeah.
And that's the most important thing.
People from being afraid in their homes at night for those phone calls.
Precisely. And
it doesn't put liens on your home and all this. So who qualifies for this? Who needs this?
Well, pretty much 90% of America qualifies for currently not collectible. IRS has to give credit for their ordinary and necessary living expenses and make a provision for their ability to pay forward tax. 90% of the time, that covers everybody's income. All their ability to pay is covered up by ordinary and necessary living expenses and a provision for forward tax. So what happens to the back tax? It's waived.
It's waived. And it's legal. Like, this is the IRS working with you.
It's been going on since before anybody in your audience was born.
Wow.
You, me, continue. I mean, it's all been this way forever. It's just we're the first ones that are really illuminating the opportunity to get out of harm's way, find the safe harbor, go to IRS, get it done.
And you're like the psychologist, because I understand that people have actually named their children after you. That's how much this software has changed their life and allowed them to just kind of start living again and finding a way to get their back taxes taken care of.
Precisely. Everybody's been very grateful. We've got 100% money back guarantee, and so if there's anything that's less than wonderful, they get their money back. But so far, we've got 100% success.
So this is going to help you mentally, too?
Absolutely.
All right, so tell us again the name of the software.
Taxclosure.com. And it's on the internet, and it's available for everybody at $120.
$120 for an individual, a little bit more if you're a business, right?
If you're a business with payroll tax, $240.
But that's different than hiring attorneys who often charge you thousands.
$4,000 to $10,000 is the relevant range.
Right.
And I wanted to make this affordable. I've been doing this for 30 years, and this is sort of my legacy.
Yeah, and I've heard some financial gurus out here basically just be like, everybody needs to call this guy. You don't need the expensive attorneys.
Precisely.
So, amazing, because I've never heard of it. Currently not collectible. 90% of you qualify. Who knew?
You're right.
All right, all of information will be on our website, betterct.com. You're watching Better Connecticut. We'll be right back. Charles Almond, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.